This is the answer to the second exercise about W1/R. Here we need to go to W1/R, upload the VCF file that we have. So this is W1/R. I have some VCF file. It's not going to be the same as what you have because yours changes every year, but looks exactly the same. Let me show you. So this is the VCF format. The first lines are all comments. The next lines have the chromosome, position, ID, reference allele, alternative alleles, quality and filtering measures, and the genotypes are here. This is the genotype. Okay, so this corresponds to the reference and the alternative alleles. In this case, they're both alternatives. Going back to W1/R, we have to put our institutional email address or else it's not going to work. Upload the file and click on submit. Once you will do this, you'll get submission screen and you can click here to get your results. I already did that, and these are my results of this submission. Okay, so the results are available just for the exomic variants and for the genomic variants. You can click on each one and see them. These are the exomic, these are the genome. Just have all the variants. Let's go back to the question. In which genes are the variants? So we can look at the exomic ones, of course, not the other one. Moving here a little bit. No, sorry, the gene was here. These are the gene names, okay, of the variants that are within the genes. What is the function of the coding SNP? You can see it right here, synonymous, non-synonymous. This is the amino acid change. The frequency between different populations is available here for those markers that for which we have the frequency. It should be here. The fact that we don't have it tells us that the 1,000 genomes does not have this information. Maybe for the genomic results there will be more information. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so this is the frequency in all of the 1,000 genomes. This is the frequency in Africans, Americans, East Asians, European, South Asians. Okay. If it's not here, that means 1,000 genomes doesn't have it. SIFT and polyphen predictions. So again, let's go back to the exomic variants. Let's scroll a little bit this way. Let's get past the populations, and these are all the predictions of the various tools. SIFT predictions are the first ones in this list. So you can see here the predictions are tolerance, deleterious, and so forth. For the polyphen, it's benign, deleterious. If you don't know what the letters mean, you can go to ANNOVAR's documentation and read here what the annotation means, or just Google it. At some point you'll just remember that. Are there conflicting predictions? Most certainly. So in this mutation, SIFT thinks it's deleterious, but polyphen thinks it's benign. This is benign. This is, I think, unavailable. This is deleterious. So there definitely are conflicts in the predictions. Another things you can use is this score to see how strong the results are. And again, to interpret this score, you need to go here and see how to interpret this score. In this case, this is how SIFT decides if something is deleterious.